Hello, everyone. I am here to present a oddity among comedy. Hopefully it'll be funny. I don't know if it will be or not. Some people will be annoyed because I'm presenting the most annoying sound in the world. Actually, I didn't expand it to the universe. It could be. People talked about things beyond the universe. I don't know if that exists yet, or has, or... Anyways, so I'm presenting the most annoying sound in the world. I know that Dumb and Dumber, that film, movie, you could call it, 'cause it's not really artistic. Well, it could be artistic. Jim Carrey did the most annoying sound in the world, but I've developed my own most annoying sound in the world, and I'm going to do it in a few moments. So I'm going to get prepared. Hope I don't get people a little bit shaken up or freaked out or really truly annoyed. Don't really want to annoy. Okay, I'll get to it. I'll get to the sound. Just wait.